Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Shiny. I'm working in a Unishare company from past 7 months as a relationship manager.
I'm Chaitra. I'm working in this company for 5 months, about 5 months as a customer support executive.
I'm Amu, working with Unishare group of companies from the past 6 months.
I'm here today to talk about the journey of our training session from past 1.5 months what we had.
I would like to thank Mr. Praveen who arranged this training for us.
I would really say thankful for Mr. Kanish who trained us from past 1.5 months.
I wanted to highlight few points in this what we gone through. First and the most important is customer service. So here I learned about addressing and identifying the customer, difference between the needs and the wants of the customer, and how to handle the customer, how to start the call, how to end the call.
I have improved a lot from this training because before I never had a confidence level in me, and I'm really glad to tell that I have done something out of this training by implementing all the customer services.
Second is self-confidence and assertiveness.
From this training, I have improved a lot with my confidence level and how to be assertive and confident and how to handle the customer.
Here, how we boldly speak with the customer, how confident we are in the calls, and the voice modulation, presentation skill.
Previously, I never had a confidence level in me. I can't ever handle a call. I was thinking that the call which I get is very different from one other calls. But right now, what if I get different situations from customers? I'm really facing them in a very pleasant way.
And most foremost thing that I enjoyed with the training is that is the confidence level. That is the first thing that everyone should be like they have to be confident in themselves and confident in working, and they have to enjoy their work.
Third is goal setting and time management. Here we thought to segregate the work as important, not important, urgent, not urgent. It's like a matrix what we learned. One of my favorite topic is speaking like a star. Speaking like a star is nothing but adding a value to the conversation at the end of the call, making it into a sale. So this S stands for situation, T for task, A stands for action, that is where we meet the customer needs or consumer needs, and R is ultimate the result. Result is nothing but the sales what we do. So this training has improved me a lot, like not only in the working experience but also in personal life. So I'm like confident enough to face any kind of situations now.
The most part I like in this training is how to be confident, assertive, and how to set a goal, how to work on the things by setting a goal, and also I learned about how to handle a customer.
This training has not only improved, it is not only for this present situation, but it is an everlasting knowledge for us.
I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh again. Thank you so much for giving such a wonderful training for us. Thank you.